This is a Centurion 35-day spring-driven wall clock. It works fine now, but around a day ago, it was all non-working. The whole entire pendulum rod was detached. So I had to reattach that, and it wouldn't chime the half hour, but I fixed that. But let's look at the footage from very earlier. Here's the pendulum. What makes this one very interesting is because it says 35-day. It's got a little switch right here that blocks the chime hammer. The sticker's coming off. The suspension rod is detached. So I'll have to figure out if I can fix that or not. I don't know if we can fix that. It's really weird. It won't chime half hour. It'll never chime the half hour, but it'll always chime hour. Okay, I take that back. It will do that sometimes. Let's see. There we go. This clock looks very high quality. And it's definitely from the 1970s because it's really got the wood. Alright, problem number 1 has been fixed. Now we gotta figure out why it won't chime the half hour. So I'm gonna put the hands back on and see if I can figure out why. Problem number 2 has been fixed. The half hour strike works again. It's gonna be very hard when I have to wind this. Yeah. Well, let's demonstrate the chimes. This clock is actually able to go backwards because when you look at the movement and you move it backwards, it actually lifts something up so it'll allow it to go back. One of the ways to know if it's able to go backwards, if it doesn't have force on it when you try to make it go backwards, it just lets you slowly, or lets you just smoothly go backwards. And it'll still make a click, but it still lets you. Alright, what time is it? Quarter after 9. Actually, almost a quarter after 9. Let's just put it here. So yeah, that's the Centurion clock.